Today I'll be eating only 7-Eleven foods for 24 hours. So that's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Thailand, specifically Bangkok, Thailand, there's literally a 7-Eleven in every corner. Like, this is currently where I reside, and as you guys can tell, there's a lot of them. Anyways, it's currently 11 something a.m. and your boy is hungry. I'm about to have me breakfast at the 7-Eleven behind me, and yeah, let's go. Okay. I've already been here before, so I already know where to go. These are the pastries. Let's see what we can get. This, I never tried it. I don't know if I should get it or not. Let's see, let's check our options. They got this. Mochi cake. Oh, I'm on that. I'm on that. Do I need a basket? Hold on. Let me get a basket. Ooh. What's this? Tiramisu. I'm on that. Give me that. What else they got here? Eclair with milk cream. That sounds good. These are all the toasties. We're about to have them at lunchtime. Not right now. Oh, what's this? Daifuku Oreo cream. Give me that shit. I think that's good for breakfast. One last peek. Milk tea pudding. That sounds intriguing, bruh. Double chocolate? No, I think I'm good with what I got. These are the coffee options they got. I'm gonna get a mocha, iced mocha medium. Sawadee Kap. Iced mocha, please. Medium. Sugar 50%. 1 cup. But anyways, while she's making it, I'm gonna pay them and then I'll see you guys outside. All right. First up, mocha. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Yo! Hold on. Dude, for 7-Eleven, this is good, bro. And this was 35 baht, which is $1. All right, so first up, we're gonna try mocha cake. Mochi cake. Edit that part. First try, guys. First try. First, mocha cake. Oh my God, that tastes so good. Ooh, what's this? Yo. Oh shit. It's like an explosion in there, you know what I mean? Hold on a minute. It tastes like pancake with like chocolate in the middle. So it's good, but would I buy it again? No. It's good though. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. It's good. Next up, I'm excited about this one. Daifuku Oreo cream. Oh my God, it smells like, bro, it smells fire. Dude, I took a shower today, I promise. This is the heat attracts flies. I took a shower. I got receipts if you want. Oh, dude, it's powdered. Oh, this is gonna be messy, bro. Fuck. Okay. Bro, it tastes like Oreo ice cream. I'm not even kidding. It's good, but like, I'm not a huge, it's basically mochi, bro. It's mochi. And I'm not that big of a fan. I'll give that 6 out of 10. You gotta wash it down with that mocha. Anyways, next up we got, dude, I am so excited for this. I saw it yesterday. I was like, let me wait till I make the video. Tiramisu cupcake, okay. My God, they even gave me a spoon. Nice people, nice people. Oh, okay. You know it's good when like you don't even have words, you know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can you guys see the layers? It's nothing crazy, but like for 7-Eleven, it's banging, bro. But anyways, that's about it for breakfast. In a few hours, I'm about to have me lunch in the biggest 7-Eleven in Bangkok. Ooh, just thinking about the options, like I want that, I want that, I want that. I'll catch you guys at lunchtime. Oh my God, that's so good. A few hours have passed and it's currently lunchtime. If you guys can listen closely, you can hear my stomach gurgling a little bit. What's up? It was fake. Apology video next week. Saturday, 12 p.m. EST, GMT. The largest 7-Eleven. God damn, let's go inside. I can't say another word. It's so hot. Ooh. Ah, the AC. I had this last week. These are fire. Well, I need a basket. Okay, this is okay. This is what I'm talking about, eh? Nah, chicken tikka masala. Ooh, I want something Thai though. What does this say? It's grilled chicken with spicy sauce and with sticky rice. Okay, I'm on that. No English? Shrimp. I mean, it says like salmon. Grab it. One more thing. I'll do another sticky rice. Salmon with spicy sauce onigiri. Final shot. Ooh. Croissant, tuna, salmon. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. Oh, that's it. I'm doing too much, dude. Now I'm gonna get a drink and yeah, I'll call it a day. Cool. Need ice. Oh, that's gonna be nice, dude. It's so hot. Yo, I came up to the second floor and they actually heated the stuff up for me. So this is heated. Everything that needs to be heated is heated. Oh, it's so hot. My God. Okay. Alright, so 2 toasties. One is steak cheese. One is salmon, so like tuna salmon croissant. 2 salmon tongiris. Is that what you call it? Onigiri. And grilled chicken with Thai spicy sauce with sticky rice. Feast. Alright, I'm gonna start with the croissant. Croissant. Je parle un petit peu de français, ok. That's good. Oh my God. Love that. It's so good. Oh my God. And it actually has the croissant texture to it. Which might be like, yeah, no shit. But like, what I'm trying to say is, they made it like a toast bread with ingredients of a croissant. So it wasn't shaped like a croissant. And then they cut it in half. You know what I'm trying to say? But it has the croissant flakes. All right, so croissant salmon tuna. I give that 8 out of 10. Next up, I think these, leave them to last. It's kind of like a dessert vibe. Next up, I already had these. These are a 10. Bro, it's steak, cheese, and like a chili sauce. Oh my god, it's so good. This is 50 baht, because I've gotten it a few times. It's so smacks, bro. I don't know how they fucking make this. This is magic. This is gold right here. Ten. Next up, grilled chicken with Thai spicy sauce with sticky rice. I have high hopes with this one. That looks good. You got the sticky rice chicken and their chili sauce. I can't handle spice, but I'll try it. Okay. Take some of that chicken. Dude, that looks good. Again, I'm shaky. I think I had coffee earlier, and I don't usually drink coffee, but I needed to wake the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? By dipping it in the sauce. Ooh, this rice is steaky. They're not playing. For microwaved food, especially when this is so much better when it's fresh, this is fucking good. I'll give it a good 8.5 out of 10, because it's hard to make this like bombing. Bombing's like really good. That's, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm starting to get full, y'all. Alright, the first onigiri we're gonna try is spicy salmon. First time trying onigiri, never had it before. How do you do it? Oh fuck, I'm fucking up. I'm fucking. How do you open this thing up, eh? Pull. Dude, what am I doing? Oh, anyways. Cheers. I feel like it's not 7-Eleven's fault. I'm just not vibing with it. 6.5. The middle part is really good. The sushi vibe is just not my thing. I think I opened it wrong, so next up we have the regular one, and like the regular salmon. There's no English on this one, so I really don't know what I'm getting, but I'm gonna try and open it properly. So it says pull, and then pull. I didn't read that before, so my bad 7-Eleven. So pull, wait, so I pulled this one. Oh, it's already snapping, bro. Okay, there you go. Okay, pull, and then pull. You learn something every day, eh? But it's so messy though. Fuck it. Cheers. I'll give this 5.5 out of 10. But yeah, that's about it. What time is it now? My hands are dirty. 3.5. So I'm not gonna have lunch until like 7, 8. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go down. I'm about to grab a snack for later, and I'll try that where I'm staying at. So I'll check you guys later. As I decided to leave, it's pouring rain. I'm stuck at a 7-Eleven. To be honest with you, I'm not complaining. So what I did is I bought a drink, and we're about to rate it. Meiji strawberry. That's good. That's good. I'll give it like a 7.5. But anyways, I'm gassed. I'm so tired. I'll catch you guys at the hotel. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. So it's currently 8:36, and I'm heading to a 7-Eleven that's very close to me. It's pretty small, but it does the job. This 7-Eleven looks nice. Damn. I'm feeling like a shrimp ramen. What's this? No, it's spicy. Spicy. I don't want spicy. Tom yum. Shrimp tom yum. I don't know. Dude. It's crazy because like people usually want stuff, but even when you have a lot of options, it just shows you that it doesn't matter. You're still gonna struggle to choose something, you know? So I'm genuinely like tweaking, like what should I get? Should I just get this? Alright, I might get this. And then one more, and then a drink. Dude, should I do this for the culture? No, I'm gonna get this for the culture. My spice level, like my tolerance is 0. Zilch. Fuck. I'm gonna do it like as a challenge. 7-Eleven for 24 hours / spicy bulldog challenge. You get a 2-in-1 deal. Who's like you? Who got? I need a drink now. And then I'm gonna get this right here. This slaps, hey. This slaps. Some of that manao. Should I get like a midnight snack? I'll just come back here. It's very close to me. Ooh, what's this? Mochi cheese ball. 35 baht, which is basically $1. I don't know, man. It's calling my name a little. Should I get it for the culture, dude? For the culture, bro. Honestly, dude, I'm getting it for the culture. I'm getting it for the culture. That's about it. That's enough. Alrighty. So, I just put the water to start heating up, so I can put it for this shrimp, tom yum, tom bum bum, whatever it's called. This is gonna be a challenge for later, and I got some mochi cheese balls that I'll be trying. Dude, it smells good though. It smells like mozzarella sticks, like no joke. That smells good. And then this shit, this is so fire. Lime Schweppes. Woo! Alright, so while the water heats up to do this, we're gonna give this mochi cheese ball a crack. So you get 4, as you guys can see, and you get like a pack of like cheddar powder. I'm not really interested in that. Oh, these already like, do I need this? Fuck. I'll do one without first, and then one with some of the cheddar powder, you know? You guys want to know what it tastes like? It tastes like cancer. You're not feeling when you have cancer? What? What? Dude, don't crack. What I mean is like, this will give you cancer. You eat 10 of these, you're getting cancer. Anyways, maybe, the taste is very bland, by the way. Maybe this will make it taste like better. Because let's be honest, it came with it, so I shouldn't be too judgmental, you know? How much is too much though? Dude, the cheddar smell is strong, eh? Oh my God. Oh, that's enough. I'm not doing more than that. I'm not doing more than that. Does it make it a little bit better? Sure. I had to wash that shit down. Mushy cheese balls. What the fuck are we doing? Next up is the shrimp. Shrimp lime. Bunch of shit in there. Ooh, they actually give you. Oh, I love it when they give you two shit. You know it's legit. Alright, so this is all heated up. What I usually do is I'll take my beanie and then I'll just put it down like that. And that usually gets the job done, hey. While that, you know what I'm saying, is like, I'm gonna try another one. Like maybe I'm being too harsh, you know what I mean? Put some of that cocaine in there. Some of that cheddar cocaine. That's enough, that's enough. I think the noodles should be done. And if they're not, fuck it. I don't give a shit. Oh. Thumbnail? Ooh. That's what it's looking like at the moment. Can you see that? It actually looks good. Smells pretty good too. I feel like I'm doing a mukbang, eh? Dude, I'm having the zoomies at the moment. Is there fucking drugs in this fucking mushy bowl? Dude, why do I feel like I'm on fucking something? Alright. Oh, that actually smells really nice. Okay, okay, okay. Dunk it in some of that broth. Pretty good. That's actually good. You get that hint of that lime. That's really good. Damn, this soda is such a good combo with ramen. God damn. Yeah, that's really good. The broth is really good. Oh my god, it's spicy. And I just hit the mic. That's spicy. Imagine how spicy this is gonna be. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna finish this and in about, what time is it now? Hold on. So it's 8:59 currently. At around 10, maybe 11, we're gonna do the Bulldog 3 times spicy challenge. Oh, also, this is subscriber exclusive, so if you don't subscribe, the video will end like right now in a few minutes. Like you won't get to see me trying this. It's only people who subscribe. That was bullshit. But come on, guys. You know what I mean? Like you're watching a video without subscribing. That's disrespectful. But anyways, I'll show you guys later. Let's get this shit over with. Dude, I'm so sleepy. My God. This shit's gonna wake me the fuck up. I'm about to have a crazy session. Crazy bathroom session after this shit. It literally smells hot outside the package. Nah, oh, what did I get myself into? My God. Okay. Have you guys ever tried this shit? If you have, leave it in the comments below. Is something gonna happen to me? Oh my God. What the fuck? 3 times spicy, and it's literally a bomb. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my God, it smells spicy. Oh, you gotta be. Oh my God, it looks like devil's sperm. Which, I don't want to eat that, so I'm not going to do this challenge anymore. It's sperm, dude. What the f***? I'm going to go get some paper toilet, because this shit's about to get messy. Hello from the bathroom. Shit, bro. Oh my God, bro. Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I fucked. Do you guys see my eyes? Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I fucked up. My lips are on fire. Everything is on fire. That devil's sperm is no joke. Three times spicy, yeah, right. 50 times spicy. Oh my God. I'm out of milk. Water's just gonna make it worse. Fuck, I only have water. There's some milk on the chair. I might lick it off. Maybe if I talk about something, I'll forget. Tomorrow I'm thinking going to a coffee shop and just sitting there and like chilling. Oh, look at this. You can't smoke at my hotel. You'll get fined a lot of money. I'm not even kidding. If you're like, here's $200, take another bite, I swear I wouldn't do it. 1K minimum. $1,000. And even that, you're pushing it, you know what I mean? Dude, should I do this for the culture? No, I'm gonna get this for the culture. It's finally dying down a little. The cap has a little bit of milk in it. Alright, well, that was it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Kind of lost for words. I don't really know what to say. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe if you want. If you don't, it's okay, you know. Like, you don't have to, like, you know what I mean? But like, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Seriously. I'll see you guys on the next one. Trash, straight up. I'm choking the noodles. Alright, stop moving.